In my latest exercise of the week video, guys, I'm going to show you an exercise that can help you build your biceps right there at home using just a pull-up bar. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here. Now today I want to show you a very effective advanced bicep exercise that you can do right there at home using your pull-up bar. Now obviously you can do things like chin-ups, but this is sort of next level, or you can even combine it with chin-ups to create a powerful home bodyweight bicep workout. So it's known as head bangers, but I want to show you a little trick that I use to make it even more effective. So normal head bangers, you will have an overhand grip, so you'll grip it like this, then you get yourself up and then you do this, okay? And you obviously go as far back and forth as you can, as you are strong enough to do. I have found it works even better when you turn your arms around. So you sort of do like a high pulley row, okay? And this hits your biceps even better. So get an underhand grip and then contract your body and then you do this, okay? Really effective, and it really hits your biceps. So how would I do it? Well, because it's such an advanced exercise, I would do 3 to 4 sets to failure, okay? Because you will always be able to do a little bit more every time you do this workout, but in the beginning, you might only be able to do 1 or 2. And also remember, try and do this either in the beginning of your workout, or if you are advanced, you can use this as a finisher exercise. But most people at the end of a heavy bicep workout won't have enough strength to keep you up there and go back and forth. But there you go, guys. Try this one out over the weekend and let me know how you get on. As always, leave your comments in the comments box. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And if you are a subscriber, don't forget to click on that bell icon to switch on your notifications. And then, as always, guys, have a great weekend. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.